The Zacks Rank, value, momentum, growth, and income all factor into Zacks Rank buys.
Hey, there is a bank holding company out there with an interesting story. They're on the growth and income radar, and our growth and income strategist, Todd Bunton, has the lowdown on them. He's here with me now. The company is Chemical Financial Corporation, and what's interesting is that they're the second largest bank holding company in Michigan.
That's right. They have 187 branches in over 47 counties, over $9 billion in assets. And they've been growing both organically through strong loan growth and growing their deposit base organically, but also through acquisitions. They made a number of acquisitions in Michigan. And our Michigander viewers will know them as Chemical Bank. That's the moniker that they operate under.
Right.
And they delivered very solid results back on October 21st. Their adjusted earnings per share came in above the Zacks consensus estimate. Nice, solid earnings surprise. That was through strong loan growth and improving credit quality as well. And analysts revised their estimates higher after that beat, sending it to a Zacks rank of 2, which is a buy rating. So good positive earnings momentum here. You can see consensus estimates moving higher for both this year and next, and analysts raising their estimates for this year. So good earnings momentum here, good growth as well. If you look at consensus estimates, analysts are expecting about 14% earnings growth this year and 13% growth next year. Some of that is due to the acquisitions they made recently, but again, the underlying fundamentals, the core business is improving. And that's thanks in large part to an improving economy in Michigan. So they are obviously heavily tied to the Michigan economy, but as long as that continues to improve, the company should continue to deliver solid results.
So I just want to clarify, are they the second largest bank holding company in Michigan?
Headquartered in
Michigan.
Yes.
Second largest overall?
They're banks with other branches, with more branches in Michigan than them, but they're headquartered in Midland, Michigan.
Right.
And there's only one, Flagstar Bank, that's larger in Michigan itself. Yeah. So in addition to strong earnings momentum, strong growth, they pay dividend that yields 3.1%. So good income to go along with that growth, which we like to see here. And if you look at some of its peers, Chemical offers, I would say, probably the best blend of positive earnings momentum, solid dividend yield, and all at a reasonable price. So they trade at less than 13 times forward earnings and could be a good total return potential name over the next 6 to 12 months, again, based on an improving Michigan economy. And I think one upside potential to this and to banks in general is the Fed. If they raise interest rates later this year, that's usually a positive for banks. It will probably steepen the yield curve itself. You'll see that 10 years start to increase even more. But as I like to point out, banks have a tendency to raise interest rates on loans quicker than they raise the rates on deposits to savers. So they tend to have a positive net interest margin effect by the Fed raising rates. So that's just something else to look out for in addition to the other good underlying metrics here.
And there's a dividend too. Did you talk about the dividend?
Yeah, 3.1%. They increased that by 8% earlier this year. So good income to go along with that good growth.
Right. Organic growth.
Exactly.
As you've said many times. It means no pesticides. Right?
There you go.
Do you own this?
I do not.
All right. Check out other stock information on our website, Zacks.com. There's picks, there's stock picking strategies, there's commentary, all there for you and all accessible right off the homepage at Zacks.com. With Todd, I'm Terry Ruffalo.